Me and Kevin Langley are exploring a cave. Seems to be nothing in here right now. Except that. Oh my God.
Let's get the hell out of it. Oh my God. I'm about to go in a cave, man. Let's go. My God. You hear that? Yes, go.
This seems to be the remains of a Pepsi that somebody had when they were trapped down here.
I think it's got dip in it.
I think.
Oh shit, the cave in dip too. Someone's got me.
Something got you. Oh boy. This is not good at all. Oh my God. What the hell? Dude, man, if you're still alive, I just found a skull.
Something's got my legs. Oh. Thanks for helping, jackass.
Right over here, dude.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. I wonder if that's what happened to Bill.
It's Bill.
The guy I ain't heard from in weeks.
He come down here?
He said he did.
Where the hell's the rest of it?
I don't know. I do know one thing though. I'm getting out of here.
First, nigga. God blimey. Let's get the hell out of here. There's a beast out there. Hear that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Let's check it out. There she blows. Listen to the bird. She's a big one. Cold blood, listen to her. Your mango.
Let's have a better look.
That was great. Now let's go back home and get the fuck out of here.